Welcome. If you want to check battery level of your Jabra Elite 65T, you have to be connected with your Jabra Sound Plus application, and when you open, you will find the name of your earbuds, the left and the right, and also the battery status right here. You can also tap on the settings icon on the right upper corner, and in this place you will also find the battery level. So when you are only connected through this normal Bluetooth settings, you will also find the battery status 60% when you enter for the Bluetooth settings. But of course it's 10% less in the original Jabra application, so you can just check it out which one is correct. But there's two ways how you can check the battery level: through the Jabra Sound application and also through the normal Bluetooth settings. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.